the chance to welcome all of you in this prestigious and long-cherished moment when Gita celebrates its annual cultural function, Akanksha 2016 today. This is so precious moment for us because aside from the fact the function underlines our institution's successful back-to-back 12 years in its sphere of imparting education. This date is also going to witness the showcasing of talents of our students and the prize giving ceremony to the best students in various spheres. Today we have our esteemed Vice Chairman, Sri Jukta Biranji Narayan Panda, a leading entrepreneur in the education sector and the man behind the success of Jupiter Plus 2 Science College, a renowned filmmaker of Odisha and a journalist. And also we have our beloved principal, Professor Dr. M.K. Raul, an IITian, a great academician and a much experienced educationist. And we are also very happy that with us our Dean Administration, Commander Dr. P.K. Rautrai, with his vast experience in administration and management is also available with us. And our Vice Principal and Dean Student Welfare, Professor Dr. S.C. Mohapatra, with great respect and honor, a great academician also, a renowned Professor of Chemistry is also with us. Last but not least, Professor T.P. Panigrai, the whole coordinator of Annual Function 2016 is also with us. Now I request all the dignitaries, please come to the dais. Sir, please. Light the lamp as usual process to pray God for a successful annual function.
वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा पूज्यं गणाध्यक्षं उमापुत्रं विनायकम् आदिपूज्यं गणाध्यक्षं उमापुत्रं विनायकम् मङ्गलं परमं रूपं श्रीगणेशं नमाम्यहम् मङ्गलं परमं रूपं श्रीगणेशं नमाम्यहम् वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा आदिपूज्यं गणाध्यक्षं उमापुत्रं विनायकम् आदिपूज्यं गणाध्यक्षं उमापुत्रं विनायकम् मङ्गलं परमं रूपं श्रीगणेशं नमाम्यहम्
Sirs who are present here and the audience.
Honorable Chief Guest, Srijukta Biranchi Panda, Dean Admin, Commander Dr. P.K. Rautrai, Vice Principal Dr. S.C. Mahapatra, Vice President Akanksha 2016, Dr. S.R. Nayak, Coordinator Annual Function 2016, Professor T. Panigrahi, other dignitaries of the dais, all the heads of departments and sections, all my faculty and staff members, and dear students, good evening. It is with great pleasure I take this opportunity to welcome you all to the inaugural ceremony of annual cultural function Akanksha 2016. First of all, I would like to thank the management for giving us the opportunity to organize Akanksha 2016 in such a grand, splendid and festive manner. At the same time, I would like to thank all the faculty and staff members for their wholehearted support and cooperation in organizing this function. I also thank all my students, especially the volunteers and the organizing committee members, for their tireless effort, without which it would not have been possible to organize such a mega event. Now I request all my faculty and staff members and the students to please cooperate in every respect and leave no stones unturned to make this event a grand success. They should take care that we should maintain proper discipline till the end. The program will continue for 2 days. So we should see that since you have invited the parents also, parents and guardians of the students, we should see that proper discipline should be maintained. Now, dear students, we are really deeply honored and privileged to have with us our Honorable Vice Chairman, Srijukta Biranchi Panda, as our chief guest. He is a great visionary, eminent educationist, a noted filmmaker and director, agricultural scientist, and editor of an Odia Delhi, and he is a matchless doer and dreamer, and above all, he is a great human being. Now I thank him very much for gracing this occasion as our chief guest. He will share his valuable experiences with us, and he will enlighten all of us with his motivational and inspiring speeches. Now, dear students, I shall not take much time because I don't want to stand between you and the beautiful program that follows. I shall just tell you a story and conclude my speech. Once a biology teacher was teaching his students how a caterpillar turns into a butterfly. He told the students that in the next couple of hours, the butterfly would struggle to come out of the cocoon, but nobody should help the butterfly. Then he left. The students were waiting, and it happened. The butterfly struggled to come out of the cocoon, but one of the students took pity on the butterfly and decided to help the butterfly out of the cocoon against the advice of the teacher. He broke the cocoon to help the butterfly so that the butterfly did not have to struggle anymore. but shortly afterwards, the butterfly died. When the teacher returned, the student told him what had happened. The teacher told the students that by helping this butterfly, the student had actually killed it, because that is the law of the nature. The struggle to come out of the cocoon actually helped the butterfly develop and strengthen its wings. And this boy had deprived the butterfly of its struggle, and so the butterfly died. Now apply the same principle to our lives. Nothing worthwhile in life comes without struggle. If you study the life history of successful persons, you will find every successful person has a painful story. And every painful story has a successful ending. So accept the pain and get ready for success. In the words of the former President of India, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, if you want to shine like a sun, you have to burn like it. So if you are ready to accept the struggle, or you are ready to accept the pain, then the success is yours. But remember, a dream does not become reality through magic. It takes sweat, determination, and hard work. You all have the potential to achieve your goal. Start believing in yourself and keep on working on your goal. If you believe that you can, then you are 50% there. That means if you believe you can, you can. And if you believe you cannot, you cannot. So the way you think can affect our life profoundly, either positive or negative. If you think positive, you can achieve your goal. If you think negative, you cannot achieve your goal. So start believing in yourself and keep on working. Never quit. You know, winners never quit and quitters never win. So if you continue your work, I'm sure you can reach your goal, and the success will definitely welcome you. Now, before I conclude, I wish all of you the very best and wish the Akanksha 2016 the grand success. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir, for your motivational speech to the audience. Thank you.
Now I request our Vice Principal, also Dean Students Welfare, Professor Dr. S.C. Mahapatra, to address the students.
Revered chief guest of this evening, Sri Dr. Biranchi Narayan Panda, the Vice Chairman of this college, Gita, Honorable Principal, Professor Rao, Honorable Dean Administration, Commander Rautrai, Professor T.P. Panigrahi, and also the Vice President of the Cultural Society. They are in the dais. In front of me, I find the revered Director Placement, Controller of Academics, the heads of the department, all land colleagues, dear student friends, invitees. It's my great pleasure to speak few words on this occasion. Before I speak, I have to tell you something, that innovative idea that has taken place in this college, and that's just I will chant a sloka. Balabhadra Jagannatha Subhadra cha Sudarsana Brahmadaru Swarupaya Chaturdha Murtaye Namaha. God has created the earth, but here is a person, an officer of this college. He is no more than, he is nothing but, he is welfare officer of the college, Sri Yukta Krishna Chandra Tripathi from Kaduapada, Jagatsinghpur. He has been is associated with this Gita in working as welfare officer. The imagination has come to him, he has created. Bhagavan samastamku srushti karuchanti, kintu Bhagavanଙ୍କୁ ସୃଷ୍ଟି କରିବାର ସେ କ୍ଷମତା ଯାହା ପାଖରେ ରହେ ତା ପାଖରେ ଭଗବାନଙ୍କର ଆଶୀର୍ବାଦ ଆସିଲେ ହିଁ ସେ କରିପାରିବ। ସମସ୍ତେ କରିପାରିବେ ନାହିଁ, ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କ ମନକୁ ସେଇ ଚିନ୍ତାଧାରା ଆସିପାରିବ ନାହିଁ। ତେଣୁ ଏହି ଅବସରରେ ये जो आपण माने दधिभावन मूर्ति देखुचंती जहाँ को आज आम पूजा करी 16 आकांक्षा 2016 आरंभ कले से दधिभावन मूर्ति को निजे 10 दिन मात्र सम्यक परिश्रम करी से मूर्ति करिसंती तेणु तांको